At the end of October, the ARC Onderstepoort Veterinary Research will host a special event, and that's what Lia Rotherham from the ARC will be telling us about today. Lia, now this event taking place at the end of this month, yes, tell us more.
Okay, so it's a very exciting event and we're all very excited about this. On the 25th of October, the ARC OVR in conjunction with the Gauteng Department of Agriculture, Rural Development and the Environment will be hosting an event for animal health technicians, extension officers and a few researchers. And the focus of this event that will be held at the Onderstepoort Research Campus is on health and safety and biosecurity for the animal health techs and these extension officers. This event is an important event to bring all role players together so that we can utilize the knowledge that we have for the benefit of farmers.
What exactly is an animal health technician and how do they differ from a vet?
So an animal health technician is essentially your primary health care in many settings. They are usually the only focus point for farmers, subsistence, rural, and owners in rural areas with veterinary health care. So they provide important parts on disease control and preventing disease outbreaks and eradication of diseases. They work very closely with a veterinarian, and a veterinarian's primary focus is on extended healthcare, basically. So they are there to ensure that the correct treatment plan, the correct medication is prescribed, as well as any further surgeries that can't be done as a basic healthcare need. The animal health techs fill the need between owners and veterinarians that don't have access to animal health care.
Lia, you did touch on the importance of an animal health technician in South Africa. Just elaborate on that.
So the animal health cares are the front line of disease control, farmer training and clinical treatment for animals. They are usually, like I said, the only contact point between owners, subsistence and rural farmers with primary animal health care. They play an integral part in ensuring that we have healthy, productive and reproductive livestock and animals within the South African livestock industry.
The day's program, tell us about the topics that will be discussed.
So the day's program is going to be a very exciting program. It's a half-day event that will be taking place, and the event will focus on, firstly, what is the relationship between animal health techs and researchers, and building on that so that we can meet the needs of the farmers. We will be touching on topics like zoonotic diseases, some of the research projects that we're running in lumpy skin disease to be able to distinguish between vaccinated and infected animals, as well as providing a vital presentation to them on what are their rights and what are the processes they need to follow in occupational health and safety. And that presentation will be provided by CoidLink, which is an external service provider for us.
That's quite a bit of information. Where do we find more information if we're interested in attending it, and are there any costs involved?
So the cost of the workshop is covered by the ARC and the Gauteng Department of Agriculture and Rural Development and Environment. Any information that you guys might want on this, you can contact Pravesh Kara at the ARC at karap@arc.agrec.za.
And the event as such, where is it taking place?
So the event will be taking place at the Onderstepoort Veterinary Research Campus, which is in Pretoria North.
Right. That's more about that event at the end of October. Remember the date, the 25th of October. And for more information on the ARC OVR event, send an email to karap@arc.agrec.za.
Maybe is 'n skrikkie vir longontsteking nie. Nee, longontsteking skrik vir my beeste. Want jy sien, as dit by immuniteit kom, dan vat ek raak. Want ek's 'n bewillisboer. Besoek www.mybewillis.com of besoek jou naaste veearts en vind die bewillisboer in jou. Jy kan maar kom loer. Bewillis maak van my 'n baanbreker.